I want to do a quick follow-up from the webinar just to go through a few things I've been saying. First thing is, if you're trying to do the handwritten part, it's kind of fun. People are like, hey, I did this handwritten thing like what you did on the webinar and it's not working. First thing you have to do is you have to turn on ChatGPT. If you don't do that, it's just going to run through our processors, and that's only for standard forms. If you go to Configuration, Software, ChatGPT Configure, you definitely want to use the ChatGPT for document scanning. Otherwise, it just uses the engine software scanners, which are PDF only. And then turn on the prompt menus if you like to do that or not. And then hit OK, log out, log back in. Usually what I recommend, it actually does take effect pretty quick, but sometimes it catches up a little bit. But anyway, log out, log back in, and you should be good to go. Now, having said that, a couple of things I wanted to show on as far as just document scanning on it. If you happen to have a document, kind of like this sliding schedule here, it will do weird things if you just drop it in like it is and not make a slight adjustment to it. So let me show you the feature we have that I didn't have a chance to show during the webinar, just time pressed there. If I pull this into the system, you will get the pop-up. And notice mine says ChatGPT may be used for translation. That's your second way to indicate that it may do the visual part that does the handwritten parts and lighting schedules and items like that. But what you can do is crop the PDF, and that's what you'll want to do, is crop this PDF because it's too much for the deal to process. So all I'll do is I'll turn it. What I found is if it's right side up, it works better. And then you don't even have to zoom in. We'll take care of the resolution and everything like that. Just simply say lighting fixture schedule, there it is, and kind of highlight that sucker. Then just say save and close. And at that point, it'll go ahead and send it over to ChatGPT to do the processing and everything in the background. So that's really all I wanted to cover. We can wait for the pop-up here. But the other thing you'll notice was added is translating document, waiting on the OASIS/PAT server. Anyway, you'll then get the pop-up and you can process from there. And that took about a minute, give or take. A couple of the things that you'll start noticing over time is that the PAT server will take the data back from ChatGPT, and we'll start pulling out fixture type in there. And we'll start pulling all the manufacturers out as well. So anyway, neat little project. Just wanted to show that real quick, and that's all we wanted to show for today. Thank you.